Did you have any feedback about the smart home stuff? Do you know if your agent got any questions or, was able to gauge from customers or like potential buyers?
No, the biggest thing is so again, depends on where in the world you are. The processes might be different, but what they do is they put a lockbox outside your house, right? Either on hanging off the door or whatever, and that's where your house key is. And right now I have the Akara U400 lock. So they weren't able to figure out where the keyhole. One of the agents, actually two of the agents, weren't able to figure out where the keyhole was. And I get a phone call being like, does the key work? Where do I actually put the key in? So I actually had to before like there's the open house versus like a scheduled viewing, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Which when you and I talked, I realized wasn't a normal thing everywhere, I guess, right? Like, because you said
Yeah.
you guys just have an open house and everybody comes in and says yes, no, whatever, and then you leave. Here you can do a scheduled viewing, so you're like, I can't make your open house, but I can do Sunday at I don't know 3 p.m. So then we leave, they come in, whatever, right? And the agent, it's just the agent, their agent, so the buying agent as well as their the people that want to see the house. Yeah, so people weren't able to figure out the smart lock. So then I just put in my agent was like, so because the lockbox that they give has like a combination, right? It's like
Yeah.
super old school, whatever. It's a shared pin, which doesn't bode well for security. But they're like, hey, can you just give me put a pin in the on the door lock? I'm like, yeah, that's fine. So I just created an account for like open home, whatever. And then I deleted it right after, just again security, right? So because I don't know how many people they have shared that with or whatever.
Hmm.
So if they weren't able to, one of the agents had trouble getting into the lockbox, which I feel like that's a key part of your job. So I'm not sure what happened there. Um, and then the other ones, two of them couldn't figure out how to open the actual thing. So again, these are things that I learned, right? So it's like, yes, aesthetically it looks great. However, usability wise, people don't think to pull the little slot, the cover down, right, to expose the keyhole. Um, so those were some of the things, and we were at a neighbor's house, just kind of camping out there while one of the viewings happened, and I kept getting the like my doorbell notification through Home Assistant being like someone's at the front door, and I was like, I've been standing there a while. I'm like, let me just make sure they're not struggling or anything like that, right? So I opened it up and I just see them being like, where's the keyhole? Like I can't find this and whatever. It's that kind of stuff. Yeah. But
And
other
so,
than that, I think it's been nobody. No, I didn't really hear any comments about it, whether negative or positive.
yep.
Originally, I was gonna do like a scene, like we open the door and it's like lights go on and all that stuff, and I was like, and then my agent's like, yeah, but that could be kind of polarizing, where people are like, this is too
Mm.
creepy. I don't want that. So I just had everything off. The only thing I did is I would just turn on all the lights beforehand, uh, and then you did that, right? So